If you feel your hormones are out of whack, you may find DIM to be helpful hormone therapy. Diindolylmethane benefits include improving thyroid conditions, breast cancer, acne, weight loss, menopause, prostate conditions, and more. When digesting cruciferous vegetables, DIM is a compound converted from its original form, I3C or indole-3-carbinol, with the help of the digestion system. It is then transported to different organs. However, it is present in small amounts when consuming vegetables. So what are DIM supplements exactly? DIM supplements are a concentrated blend of cruciferous vegetables often sold in a fine powder within a capsule. The color of the powder is ordinarily green-tinted from the veggie extracts. However, some have a white hue. Certain health practitioners have said consuming a pill of DIM is like eating a pound of vegetables. Diindolylmethane has benefits for both women and men. Keep listening to learn about the benefits of DIM for your health. 1. DIM for treating thyroid disease. Thyroid illness patients were given 300 milligrams of DIM for 14 days. They had some or all of their thyroid removed after that. In serum samples taken before and after administration, researchers analyzed DIM along with estrogen elements. DIM was in all of the samples and thyroid tissue after 14 days of continuous dosing. DIM regulated estrogen inside these patients, according to the urine tests. There was an increase in the estrogen predominantly viewed as anti-cancer, and a reduction in the negative type 16A, hydroxyestrone, C16. 2. Diindolylmethane benefits for breast cancer. A study on human breast cancer cells yielded astonishing results. DIM inhibited breast cancer cell development in Petri studies and organisms. Breast cancer cells' activity decreased by the lowering of protein enzymes involved in cell replication and distribution. 3. Diindolylmethane benefits for weight loss. Studies on mice occurred to assess the effects of DIM on obesity with a high-fat diet. Both groups received a high-fat diet, while only one group got DIM. Weight gain appeared in the group that did not receive DIM. This study shines a light on DIM potentially being a weight loss supplement for men and women. 4. Diindolylmethane benefits for acne and PCOS hormone imbalances are frequent links to acne and PCOS sufferers. In fact, having both is typical. DIM has the potential to lower androgen activity, according to lab evidence not tested on humans. Androgens are often the antagonistic hormone in acne and PCOS, especially when overproduced. DIM seems to reduce androgenic activity while also regulating estrogen. Reduction in acne inflammation, normalized menstrual cycles, and decreased hirsutistic hair growth are benefits mentioned by people taking DIM, although further research is needed. 5. DIM for menopause symptoms. The imbalance in estrogen hormones, estriol, E3, and estradiol, E2, in menopausal women leads to the symptoms associated with menopause. Hot flashes and night sweats are common indications. DIM promotes efficient metabolization of the estrogen hormones, increasing the conversion of estrogen to a beneficial estrogen enzyme 2-hydroxyestrones, C2. It is a preferred conversion, known for being anti-cancer. Other benefits from these enzymes include high antioxidant activity that stimulates healthy heart and brain function. Diindolylmethane benefits for men. Prostate cancer. Diindolylmethane's anti-androgen action inhibits androgen-dependent prostate cancer cell progression. DIM reduces the ability of androgen receptors to fuse to testosterone in the prostate. This finding suggests that DIM can be an alternative tool to mitigate prostate cancer. Vegetable extracts included in DIM dietary supplements. Cruciferous vegetables, often known as the cabbage family, are in DIM recipes. Most formulations either include broccoli, cabbage, watercress, cauliflower, or radish. Boosters added to diindolylmethane supplements. 1. Bioperine, black pepper extract. This substance has the effect of mildly increasing the body's absorption of other nutrients. As a result, you are getting the most out of your purchase. 2. Calcium D-glucarate. It reduces excess beta-glucuronidase, which is an enzyme made from gut bacteria. In high amounts, beta-glucuronidase poses a risk of causing hormonal cancers like breast and prostate cancer. Like DIM, calcium D-glucarate has some regulation over metabolizing estrogen. DIM is not a substitute for cruciferous vegetable consumption. The entire vegetable supplies fiber and vitamins that you would otherwise be missing out on if you only ate DIM. The conversion of I3C to diindolylmethane is responsible for the majority of its advantages. When digested, stomach acids expediently convert I3C to DIM. DIM should not be combined with water pills, diuretics, because both diminish sodium intake and increase the risk of hyponatremia. Before using diindolylmethane, consult your doctor if you are taking any medications that influence your hormones. The hormone's efficacy may be affected by DIM. Children's substantial research has not been performed on the effectiveness or risk of DIM supplement when given to kids. Pregnant and nursing women. Diindolylmethane may alter the absorption of certain pregnancy medications, rendering them useless in pregnant or nursing women. A dosage amount may be given by your health provider or advised on the product packaging. Optimal dosing may vary per individual. The higher the dose, the greater the chance of diindolylmethane adverse effects. A patient in one case study developed central serous chorioretinopathy, CSCR, which improved once she stopped taking DIM. DIM supplement side effects from reviews. With numerous reviews written regarding diindolylmethane benefits, some side effects mentioned were headaches, a face or body rash, along with hair shedding. DIM has dramatically reduced my acne and kept my weight in check. Even on a food-crazed binge, it still worked. My weight never went beyond the 147 lbs I started with, and my skin is much smoother. These are my real unaltered results. This vegetable compound is heaven sent. I have been dealing with acne for years and wish I found it years ago. If you are experiencing any of the issues mentioned, consider supplementing with DIM. Diindolylmethane's benefits are primarily related to its influence on hormones, leading to the correction of many health problems. One should not substitute DIM for consuming vegetables, because it is only one compound of these nutrient-rich cruciferous. DIM is easily accessible as an over-the-counter product. Since it could be risky for some individuals, consult with your healthcare provider before taking the supplements to avoid and monitor DIM side effects. Additionally, with the research being largely positive, there is still not enough research available. Thank you for watching to the end. If you've watched this far, please comment and share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare and wellness content.